Let's quickly check how I make over $22,390 in 3 months trading with the Forex robot. My loss, my profit, and how the robot have been trading every day, resulting on this massive result. Coming to my account here, if you pay attention here, this is FBS account. Let's open this perfectly. This is FBS re 2, right? You can check this out, and if you come over to this point, you're going to notice about $22,390.15, and if you check here, let's do like this. You're going to click and show full history. This is the complete history of the account, right? Complete history, and we deposited about $12,992, and we have withdrawn about $8,500 from our profit. And these are all the trade history. BTC, you can see the trade volume 0.07. Imagine days being able to make over $22,000, and these are all the. Let's zoom this up again so we can see it clearly. Let's zoom this up so we see it clearly. All right, so these are all the trade history, and you can see this is take profit. You know, it's all hitting take profit. You can see $7, $3, $57 minus 24, $10, $8, $10, 777. These are all the trade history on the account in 3 months. In 3 months, these are all the trade history in 3 months. This was our date of deposit. You can pay attention to this. The day we deposited, right? This was the day we deposited, and this was the day we deposited. Some of the trade history have been archived by the broker. Imagine yourself, targeting the same result in 3 months, and here we are. Let's see how much it makes so far today. Let's kindly check today history. Check here, boom, click on okay. Today, boom, here we go. Today already make about $2 so far today, and you can see the bot name AV Community AI Pod. We're going to change this name very soon. Here we go, over about $200 today. $200 today. I think here in my country that's about 300,000 to 400,000 NGN today. Let's quickly check my VPS to see where the bot is running. Let's quickly go to my VPS. Coming to my VPS here, you notice we have some account here. Okay, okay, here we go. This is the account, and here is the bot running. This is the first one, EU call, which is on the buy side. Let's open BTC, and let's check this EU call. This is the sell side, and you can see a position is running, a buy position. Is it buy? Okay, we have 3 positions running. One on Hero USD with 0.06 lot, and YBTC 0.04 lot. We have 2 positions running, and here is our take profit, and this means in few hours from now we are expecting to make some money again. And Hero USD is still running perfectly fine. You can see the bot name. Let's see the buy position. This particular one handle the buy positions, why these handle all the sell positions, right? Coming here, this is all the trade history today, and so in less than no time all this trade gonna close out. And we also have Hero USD, which is still trading. It closed more than 20 position on Hero USD today. This is how the bot is hustling for us in the market. You can see our take profit, and in less than no time this is going to hit our take profit. And it also trade GBP JPY, and these are all the close. If you pay attention to this, you're going to see these are all the close position to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, over 7 close position today on GBP JPY. While on Hero USD more than 10 close positions, and resulting on about $202. You can see all the profit: $1, $2, $1, $4, $1.24 minus 16, $128 profit, $2, $4, all the way down. Imagine a bot hustling on your behalf like this 24/7. And the best part of this is the bot is available for everybody that want to trade. Rent the bot, allow the bot to trade for you. This was how we are able to make about $200 today, and over $22,000 in 3 trading months without putting our account at risk. So let's kindly move to to our mobile phone to see clearly on our mobile phone. Coming to my MT5 here on mobile phone, I have other account that is actively running. These are some of our students account, all real account. This particular one here, I think I have to log in the main master account here, but I think okay, I have this on here. I have it as investor password. I have it here as investor password. Yeah, so I can check this and they allow you to open. Okay, I think I'm logged out. Let me quickly log in. I logged this particular account in with an investor password, so let me connect again. Let me put the main password, which is the main password. Yeah, let's allow you to log me in. Let's see. Okay, boom, I'm in. You can see here everything here is on a live account here. I think yeah, it's on a live account FBS2. These are all the running position BTC. You can see the name AVU Community AI Bot on sell position. The show EU call AVU Community AI Bot. And let's see today. This today trade history on mobile phone, about $202, which is not bad. And these are all the close positions for today. These are all the close position for today. Imagine this. How many position? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29. It's almost uncountable. You can't do this manual. You can't do this by yourself. You can't do this manual. You cannot meet up. So let's check so far last week. Let's check how much we make last week. Last week alone we make about, you can check this, last week, yeah, we make about $2,675 just last week alone. And these are all the trade history for last week on BTC, Euro, USD, and yeah, so let's see for the past 3 months. Yeah, here we go, boom, $22,390 with a withdrawal of $8,000. Deposit was $12,000. And these are some of the trades that have been archived by the broker. Yeah, and you can see this over $18,000, yeah, on about with a total of 200 and something trading lot. And these are all the close history on the account resulting on this. And within a short period of time, this other trade gonna close. And this is how we have been making consistent profit from the forex market every day, allowing our robot to hustle, to go out there and hustle on our behalf. And this is how we have been making consistent profit from the forex market without our effort at all. We only allow our robot to go out there and hustle for us. And the best part of this is I allow other people to take advantage of it, because the money that's in the forex market is unlimited. As long as I have anything that's working, I have something that's making me money, I can give it out to other people. At the same time, I make more money to myself. That's why I invite you to my team to take advantage of this. I know how hard it is to have a system that's highly profitable. This took us more than 5 years of updating, programming, improving before we get to this point. I can tell you boldly, you have nothing to lose. And those days of you struggling without being able to make money or trading without making money is over. I will be more than happy to welcome you on my team. If you're interested to get started right now, check the video description. You're going to see my WhatsApp number. Reach out to me right now. Let's get to work. And at the same time, on our Telegram channel, there's a link below. Kindly check it out. Click on the join our Telegram channel to get updated anytime there's an opportunity. And for those that want to trade crypto market, we have one of the best strategy that have been helping all our members to win back to back in the crypto market. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Drop a comment, like the video, share it with your friends. I'm hoping to see you on my next video. Please don't forget, I remain your friend Ekanthetrader. Kindly follow me on Instagram, Ekanthetrader, and on TikTok as well, Ekanthetrader. Yeah, bye for now.